Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you really must replace your card, go to www.socialsecurity.gov/SNumber before visiting your local Social Security office. The first step is to learn what documents you need. You'll need to show us a U.S. driver's license, a state-issued non-driver identification card, or a U.S. passport to prove your identity. 25 July 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
An acceptable document must be current, not expired, and show your name, identifying information, date of birth or age, and preferably a recent photograph. For example, as proof of identity, Social Security must see your U.S. driver's license, state-issued non-driver identification card, or
Take our lead.
Bring two alternative forms of identification. If you do not have a government-issued photo ID, alternates could include utility bill with current address, bank statement with current address, pay stub must include your name, Social Security number plus name and address of business, or car registration or title with
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you lost your card, you'll need to request a replacement form for a Social Security card from the Social Security Administration (SSA). You can apply online by choosing the Replacement tab for your lost security card. Requesting a replacement card is not eligible for all 50 states.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Instead, a recent pay stub, W-2, wage and tax statement, SSA 1099, Social Security benefits statement, or other tax documents showing your full name and entire SSN may be acceptable proof of your SSN.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you were assigned a SSN at some point in your life, but you don't know it now, you need to request a replacement card. This is the only way to get your number because the Social Security Administration (SSA) does not give out Social Security numbers any other way.
Make your mark, take our lead.
At 1-877-ID theft 1-877-438-4338 or go to www.identitytheft.gov/ to order a copy of your Social Security Administration earnings and benefits statement, or to check whether someone has used your Social Security number to get a job or to avoid paying taxes. Visit www.socialsecurity.gov/statement/.
Let's help you make your mark.
Your tax return is one of the things that have your Social Security number on it. As such, it is another possible source of formal identification. Anyone, of course, can take a blank 1040 form and fill in whatever name or number they choose. However, an official copy of your tax return is convincing documentation.
Let's help you make your mark.
Use of the SSN in state driver's license systems is already authorized by federal law, and 29 states currently use the SSN as the driver's license number or show it on the license. Thus, the driver's license and Social Security card can both be used to verify the SSN.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.